How not to use too many adjectives when writing. Adjectives are looked down upon by editors, seasoned writers, and aware readers. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells you more about a noun. Adjectives are also called descriptors because they describe something with an additional attribute. Here is an example of an adjective. Vaibhav is a serious boy. What sort of a boy is Vaibhav? He is a serious boy. Serious is an adjective here because it tells you more about a boy called Vaibhav. If I hadn't used the adjective serious, it was difficult to tell Vaibhav's state of being. He could have been a happy boy. He could have been a laughing boy. He could have been a rude boy. You could have attached an unlimited variety of attributes to him. But with serious, you know that Vaibhav is looking serious. Consider another example. Vaibhav is a serious boy who often carries a heavy bag when he arrives at the forlorn bus stop in the misty, gloomy morning. The above sentence is laden with the following adjectives: serious, heavy, forlorn, misty, gloomy. Serious tells you something about a boy called Vaibhav. Heavy tells you about the nature of the bag he carries. Forlorn informs you of the state of the bus stop he arrives at. Misty and gloomy paint the picture of the morning. Frankly, I don't find anything wrong in such a sentence because the adjectives used in the above sentence describe the various nouns and give you a complete picture of the situation. If an editor here asks me to remove these adjectives, although I may relent, I may have to use different sentences to describe the boy's disposition, the sort of bag he is carrying, the condition of the bus stop, and the nature of the morning. So, what is an adjective? It gives you more information about a noun. An adjective doesn't have to be a single word. Consider the following. That was a clearly visible scene. Here the adjective visible has its own adjective clearly. When combined, clearly visible becomes an adjective for the noun seen. Another sentence example of an adjective. It was a pitch dark night when the haunting howling of a dog was heard for the first time from somewhere inside the swamp. Pitch dark is an adjective for the noun night, and haunting is the adjective for the noun howling. But sometimes people overly use adjectives, which should be avoided. Studies have shown that the human attention span is 8 seconds, which is less than that of a goldfish. Hence, when you are writing an email or a web page selling or promoting something, you need to come to the point as quickly as possible. Using too many adjectives may stop you from doing so. Consider the example. Caleb wore brownish, muddy, worn out and rugged leather shoes, and he had rested both his legs on the center table. Some may say that too many adjectives have been used to describe his shoes. You can write this sentence in the following manner. Caleb wore rugged leather shoes as he rested both his legs on the center table. Why get rid of unnecessary adjectives? Unnecessary words wear out your readers and they get disinterested in your writing. Remember that every word you are reading needs to be processed by your brain. Smaller sentences are easier to read and they help you maintain a pace. Are all adjectives unnecessary? Not necessarily. Take this example. Dostoevsky was a popular author of his time. You need the adjective popular to tell what type of an author Dostoevsky was. Of course, another way of saying that Dostoevsky was popular is by using such a sentence. Thousands of people bought Dostoevsky's books as soon as they were published. Consider another example. We provide world-class mobile app development services. Although using world-class here may sound impressive, there is really no need for it. Nobody expects you to deliver lousy services. Hence, you can simply say, we provide app development services. If you want to add another attribute to your app development services that helps you stand out, you can write something like, we provide app development services using agile programming methodology. This way, Clients looking for app developers who can do agile programming will be able to make better decisions regarding your services. Whether you want to use adjectives or not is your own prerogative, but the basic idea is to create concise sentences your readers can read fast. If they can read fast even with your adjectives, well and good. But if the meaning is not changed when you remove an adjective, then remove it.